Introducing the Advantage2, the newest contour keyboard from Kinesis. For the last 25 years, the contour keyboard has been the choice of talented software developers, best-selling authors, super-fast transcriptionists, and anyone else looking for the ultimate typing experience. The new Advantage2 is the most powerful keyboard we've ever built, combining our time-tested ergonomic design with the exciting new SmartSet onboard programming engine. When it comes to repetitive strain injuries, minimizing tension is the name of the game. The Advantage2's patented split concave key wells keep your arms, wrists, and hands in a relaxed neutral position. The result is maximum comfort, and for many, increased speed and accuracy. Tired of stretching to reach Enter, Backspace, and Delete on traditional layouts? Our thumb keys transfer work away from overused little fingers to underused thumbs, so you never have to reach for these keys again. Most traditional and some ergonomic keyboards have a dedicated keypad, forcing you to reach for the mouse, causing neck, shoulder, and forearm strain. We didn't include the dedicated keypad to give the Advantage2 a smaller footprint, bringing the mouse much closer. And for number crunchers, a 10 key is embedded in the right key well for quick one-touch access. Every keystroke counts when spending hours in front of a keyboard. With our new SmartSet onboard programming engine, you can easily create custom layouts, macros, and remap keys, saving it all direct to the keyboard. The Advantage2 even has custom modes for Mac, Windows, and PC modifiers at the touch of a button, all without clunky software. The Advantage2 is the most powerful ergonomic keyboard on the market because the layout adapts to you. Available in black and silver, the Advantage2 offers low-force, tactile feedback cherry brown mechanical key switches. Or for a low-force linear feel, go with cherry red switches on the LF model available in black. Dvorak users will want the QD model with dual-edged keycaps and cherry brown key switches. And existing Advantage users will be excited to learn we've upgraded the rubber function row keys to mechanical cherry key switches. You've been asking, and we've delivered. The Advantage2 is built to last, so we increased our warranty to 3 years. And thanks to SmartSet technology, staying up to date with the latest firmware is easy. Want to take a test drive? Try the Advantage2 risk-free for 60 days when you shop at Kinesis.com. Kinesis Advantage2. Invest in yourself. To learn more or find a dealer, please visit Kinesis.com.